Hey, tired of those blue X's on Johnny X? Here's Johnny's new clothes. Let's take a closer look. I'm so excited about this. Look there. Still got a hint of the blue X's here on the seat. I'm gonna have to clean that off. What do you think so far? What should we do with this hood guard here? Should we leave it green or should we try black for it? My first inclination was to paint it black, but now that I see it, I kind of like the green. And the other question is about the loader supports. Right? Green or black? I don't really know what to do on those. Need some input on that. What are your thoughts overall? I'm excited about this. Yeah, a lot of you are asking why. Well, most of you know why. But for those of you who are new to the channel, this is not a stock 1025R. We have done a lot of enhancements to it. And we wanted to set it apart. We wanted people to realize that it wasn't stock when we're actually using it. When they say, hey, my 1025R won't do that. So maybe we can detail just a little bit what we've done to this machine so far. We've added a turbocharger. We've increased the hydraulic maximum pressure to 2,900 PSI. We've added the Hydros Plus upgraded hydraulic pump. We get almost 11 gallons per minute total. Somewhere around 9 usable gallons per minute. The other part's dedicated to the steering, of course. Again, the turbocharger came from Ariat diesel, so we wanted to make sure we featured them. Now you might be asking a little bit about the sponsor stickers on the side. Well, it's been a long time ago now, but I used to really be into NASCAR, and I just thought it would be a lot of fun to have sponsor stickers all over the tractor, and so I asked some of our sponsors if they'd be interested, and they loved the idea. So yeah, we'll show you in detail all the sponsor stickers that we've got on there, and maybe just show you a little more detail overall of the wrap that we've chosen to put on it. That's right, it is a wrap, so we can get pieces of it replaced if we need to. We're going to continue to work this tractor. If we tear it up, we'll just get some of the wrap replaced. They can replace each individual piece as necessary. Did I mention I was excited about this? Here's some of the other side. Limbsaw was a primary sponsor. Hydros Plus again, of course, because of their upgraded hydraulic pump, bolt-on hooks, shopgreendealer.com. There's our Ariat diesel on both sides. Lube Shuttle, my favorite grease gun solution. Summit Hydraulics was on the other side. Of course, they're featured right here visibly on the tractor. I'm not sure that the details of this side are exactly the way I wanted. I may have to get this one redone. The 1038X appears to be a little bit too low to me on this side. So yeah, we may get this side redone, I'm not sure. It also seems quite black here. I think I'd like to see some of these paint splotches moved up a little bit on that one. We'll see what we come up with on that. Maybe we can get it recreated just slightly differently. Someone on Instagram or Facebook said, I've never heard of a 1038. What's a 1038? Well, we sort of made that up. There is no 1038. We don't know what the engine horsepower would be, so we don't know what the proper designation would be. We have measured the PTO horsepower at 32. So we think we're being conservative by saying 38 engine horsepower. It's probably in the 42 range, but we're not sure, so I wanted to be conservative on that. And Johnny X for extreme or experimental, that's 1038X. You know, we're doing this just because we can and because we thought it would be fun to have a dressed up 1025R with some unique features. We've got one more big feature that we're going to put on Johnny X. Nope, I'm not going to tell you any more about it at this point. Do you have any ideas of things you would like to see on Johnny X? Anything to, well, to soup him up a little bit, or to make him overall a better machine, and to try to push the envelope a little bit? That's right, this is all on us. We know that if we tear it up, that it's because we have pushed it too far, and we expect to probably tear it up at some point by pushing it too hard. We're not exactly sure what all we can do on it. I'm most concerned about the PTO. I know that the PTO system is not incredibly overbuilt on these little guys, and so I'm afraid to put it on something that might damage it, specifically something that would jerk the internals of the PTO a lot. So we might be able to put it on a bigger mower. I don't know if we can put it on the TS10 because of drawbar issues. The drawbar weight on that thing may just be too much, but you know, we'll keep experimenting with it and see what we can come up with. I just thought you might enjoy seeing it this morning. Let me know in the comments sections any of your thoughts, opinions. It doesn't matter. Again, this is just for fun. So anything you would like to do to your tractor, we might try it here. So let us know. Hope you guys are enjoying the Johnny X transformation. That's right, it's not over, but we're getting there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.